What's the meaning of Captain General? Captain General. Captain General.
Captain General. Captain General. Captain General is a title given to a high-ranking military officer who holds supreme command over all the armed forces of a nation or a region. The term has been used historically in various countries, including Spain, Portugal, and England. In these countries, the Captain General was responsible for ensuring the security and defense of their respective territories. The position conveyed an immense amount of power and authority, with the Captain General serving as the ultimate decision-maker when it came to matters of war and military strategy.